Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Makeup. In this video I'm gonna make a review about this hair vitamins from Infinity. It's a Biovita for longer, healthier, stronger hair, skin and nails. It's vegan gummy, so I guess it's Egyptian brand. I am not sure, but I found that here in Egypt and I give it a try for like a couple of bottles. I can say I just like used about like 5 or 6 boxes or bottle like this. So it was a good thing because it was like buy one get one free. Infinity always like doing these kind of offers, so it's really convenient, really nice. And even the bottle itself, like the price of the product compared to the product effect, is really convenient. So talking about the product itself, it's vegan gummy. So if you are a vegan and you live in Egypt, this is for you. And this is like an everyday hair supplement. It's not only for hair, skin, and nails. And I give it a try after my corona vaccine because my hair was ruined completely. If you are like me, please let me know in the comment section down below because I'm still suffering from it. But now it's way better than it was before. I began to use that after the vaccination in 2020. So I was like on hair supplements for a couple of years. I don't have it anymore now, but I still have the box to make you a review. So that was my first hair supplements I ever tried, and it has a really nice things. Have vitamin B and biotin and like another stuff. There's zinc in there. So all the things that you need to know here, we can see. Okay, here we go, you can see it. So these are the stuff that you have in this one. It's not much, but it's really like the basic things for your skin, hair and nails. Actually, that makes my nails stronger and makes my hair healthier. The effect of this one, it's not strong, of course. Comparing to the price, I will not compare it to the other one, which is like from the Bounty Nature, I guess. I had another quick review about this one. I still have the box, I don't know why, but I had another review about this one. I'm gonna link in the card description box down below. It's Natural Bounty. I use this one. I got it from US. It's not available here. This one is available here, so I tried this one. The effect of this one is amazing, but of course this one is kind of like a half the effect, you can tell. So I used to take about like 2 gummies every day, or sometimes I take like 2 gummies in the morning and evening to give me the good dose, so I can like revive my hair quicker, because I really needed it until I stopped like having 4 gummies per day, just like 2 gummies every day for like about 5 bottles. And then I stopped, and then I went to the Natural Bounty, and they did a lot of things to me. So if you are in Egypt and you can find anything else like especially this one, if you find it here, that will be like extremely expensive because it's coming from the US. So if you find it here, that's good. If you can afford it, go for it. But if you don't, you can try this one. It's affordable, it's really nice, and I really love it. So I really recommend it if you need something for your hair, skin and nails. We need like a hair supplement. You need supplement for your hair, skin, nails, but in the same time it's effective, and in the same time it's an affordable price. I go for it. So I guess I'm gonna try it again because it really makes me healthy, really. Like when I used this one back then, I felt healthy in general, not only my skin and hair and nails, just in general, because it gives you the supplement that your body needs. So yeah, this is for this product. I really hope you like it, and if you want to try it, give it a try, you'll like it. So yeah, this is for this video. I really hope you like it, and of course, as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links will be in the description box down below. And don't forget to hit the bell button so you have a notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. I love you so much. Bye!